Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with cash back on Rakuten, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start saving with cash back on Rakuten, visit the Rakuten website or download the mobile app. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Once your account is set up, explore the available stores listed on Rakuten. Look for your favorite stores or browse through different categories. Click on a store to see the current cash back offer. When you find an offer you like, click on the Shop Now button. This will redirect you to the store's website while tracking your cash back. Make your purchase as you normally would on the retailer's site. After completing your order, Rakuten will track your purchase automatically. Cashback usually takes a few days to reflect in your Rakuten account. To check your cashback status, return to the Rakuten dashboard. If you want to maximize your savings, consider using cashback with coupon codes. Keep an eye on seasonal promotions for increased cashback opportunities. You can also refer friends to Rakuten and earn more cash back through their referral program. Once your cashback balance reaches a specified amount, you can request payment. Choose to receive your cash back via PayPal or a check. That's it. You're now ready to start saving with cash back on Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.